Check engine light on. What's your first move? Going straight to a repair shop could cost you hundreds of dollars. But here's the truth. Many issues can be diagnosed by yourself with an AUTEL scanner. So how do you choose the right one? First, based on your needs. For professional technicians, go for high-end models like Ultra S2, full system diagnostics, engine, transmission, ABS, and more. Advanced functions, EPB reset, special services, etc. Car owners, NDI, models like MK808S. That's enough. Read and clear codes. Easy to use, just like a smartphone. Second check, vehicle compatibility. AUTEL supports 12,000 vehicle models, including domestic models and Asian, European models. Please confirm your car is on the list before purchase. Covers most US, European, and Asian vehicles. And third, don't forget after-sales support. Buying from authorized dealers equals North American manufacturer warranty and repair eligibility. Cheap third-party tools may stop updating after months or are unable to enjoy warranty and repair support. Pro tip, don't go for cheap no-name tools. Bad data equals wrong diagnosis equals more damage to your car. Now you know how to choose the right scanner. Next time that warning light comes on, check it yourself and save your buck. Follow us for more car tips and tools. Comment what you want to learn next.